today I don't come again with another ogbonge news. If you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una do well to go subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell where you dey confirm update from us. Anyway, my people, don't forget to always dey share our videos so that people will not dey hear news, wey they know wetin dey happen for the world. Make them know say this kind thing dey happen. On today's news, we wan talk about Davido. Not be small matter after that girl wey they call Anita, also wey her name also be Nina, come out come talk say she get belle. After that one, people don dey fall out, dey talk say Davido don't give them belle, Davido do this, Davido do that, Davido not do that. My people, that be small drama that they go on since that time when this girl come out come talk say he get belle. Now this girl that they call Ivy, that French lady, but she grew up for Paris, cause still come out say she be no one come and talk before, but this Nina, who they also they call Anita, don't give her that mind to come out to talk her own. Say she too, she gets belle. Wahala be like pregnancy. Oh, people that they fall out now, they talk say they get belle for Davido. This will not be small matter. She talk say she don't go promote song, Davido song. Say she don't meet Davido on several occasions. Say they don't run 1 or 2 packages. Say he and Davido can't talk to the get agreement. Say he no go talk anything about pregnancy for just 10,000 naira for Nigeria currency. So she feel and say na joke because no lawyer dey there to talk say choo this agreement dey valid. Say now make am not even come and since come talk because they can't turn the matter around. My people not be small thing. They really they happen with Davido and the baby mama. So now so this girl can't take drop evidence. She and Davido take the chat. Many things like that. I go play another video make you not see. For inside there, so where this girl they talk her own, now people come they come out to who they push, who they this one, who not they this one, all of them they come out, they talk about belle or how they don't take run package with Davido. Now one girl for one interview come talk say she too don't run 1 or 2 shits with Davido. She can't even bring bossers come and say these bossers na Davido bossers. Say but the only thing be say she not carry belle, she not get belle for Davido, but she and Davido don't run 1 or 2 package. My people, internet don't dey on fire since they say which kind thing Davido they do so. Women don't they blast Davido. Some see they support and say those women they not say get money, they use body finder. Who now want support for this kind of matter? My people, I go play on the video, make una watch. I go first play on the video of this girl that they call Ivy. Then I go play on the interview where that Kenyan girl talk say she don't run 1 or 2 package with Davido. My people now watch this video till the end.
I've just done this and I am fucking pregnant.
You stand in front of like a white wall and take a picture and you cut it for like square. So you and her, you stand behind like a white background.
It is boxer. Are you kidding me?
I carried and I thought like why not? As you see, he's a kid and he wears so many colors, orange, yellow, black, and I thought I would carry. Isn't it Mesiweka 2 years?
Your microphone.
I love Davido that much. Me Mesiweka. Like
so that's your proof.
So I thought I would since Akuna mtu anajua the smell of the dick, so I won't throw it to anyone.
Fine. We know
but this is Davido's boxers.
Can I tell you?
Man, who does this be?
I'm sorry. Let us know. Thank you very much for that. We are happy to see that you could. My people, hope I don't watch the video. Not be small matter they go on around the video right now. Maybe before today go end now, another person will come and say Dusty get belle for Davido. Anyway, make una write una comment wetin una think concerning this matter. Make una write am for comment section and make una not forget to like and share this video. Until we meet again for another entertainment news, make una stay safe. Una do.